Hey, all our amazing viewers out there. We know that some of you might still be struggling and waiting for your big break, wondering why your dreams aren't happening fast enough. But let us tell you, it's all going to be okay. Don't be too hard on yourself, be patient, and embrace the journey you're on. You see, life is a mix of serious and fun, and you need to find the right balance. You want to be disciplined and purposeful in your pursuits, but you also want to have some fun, adventure, and excitement. Trust us, it's possible to have both. It's time to redefine what you consider as intelligence. It's not just about intellectuals like Noam Chomsky or Albert Einstein. Intelligence comes in all forms. Working with your hands is a form of intelligence. Athletes use their bodies intelligently. Music, language, these are all forms of intelligence. You need to figure out what you love and what you hate. If you are word-oriented and end up in a mutt or number-oriented field, it's not going to be easy for you. That's why you need to figure out what comes naturally to you.
Your negative emotions are not your enemy. They are your ally. They are trying to teach you something and show you what you need to work on. Frustration is a sign that you haven't given up yet. So, when you have these feelings, embrace them and know that there is something positive in that. It's never too late to start. It's better to start earlier in life, but it can happen later in life too. You need to listen to yourself and cut out all the noise around you. Embrace what makes you different, and don't be ashamed or embarrassed about it. Your weirdness is your strength, and it's your source of power. You just need to find it, and that's a process that takes time and patience.
So, start a journal and write down some of the things that are important to you. Go back to your earliest childhood memories of things that really excited you before the world told you what to do. Remember what truly makes you happy and passionate. We are all masters in our own way. In his book, Mastery, Robert Greene proves that everyone has that unique strength that they need to tap into. We are all equal, and we all have that spark inside us. So, go out there and find your spark. Remember, it takes time, effort, and patience, but it's all worth it in the end. You got this.